So one of the things that I tried to do this year is to be able to increase production at the shop, and that meant we needed a plasma cutter. In the past, when we go to remove a panel, we either use a torch, which causes a lot of heat and can warp panels that you don't want to warp, or we would use like a cutoff wheel or a Sawzall. In this case, we stepped up and we bought the new Miller plasma cutter, and it's a phenomenal tool. What's cool about this one? You can change the ends. I can put a 240 on here, and I think I'd like to use the higher voltage. So bring me over the big 240 extension cord.
Royal, am I gonna be in your way?
No.
Yeah, you definitely look like the guy from The Fly. Help me!
Can I go ahead and cut that weld there to get this off?
What do you need, Bubba? What do you need?
Can I cut that weld to get this off of here? You can pull this off?
Yeah, we're gonna replace this apron section.
Okay, so I need to cut that weld and drill these spot welds.
Exactly.
I'm not a body man. I'm a brake and suspension and steering guy. I'm trying to help them get the car apart so they can start to do what they need to do on the body to get it going back together.
So now we can actually rock and roll on these cars, cut the panels off in one shot, be done and ready to start assembling new pieces and parts on them instead of spending half a day cutting them apart.